Sandwiched between Logan Square and Wicker Park, Bucktown brings a boho energy lined with the epic 606 trail and artsy entertainment all around. Today, we are at the trendy Milwaukee Avenue and Western intersection, where Bucktown meets Logan Square. The Western is an ultra boutique luxury property featuring only 55 apartment homes spread amongst 3 small interconnected buildings with this killer rooftop lounge. Being a smaller property, you will really get to enjoy a lot of this space in a more intimate setting. If you're looking for luxury in Chicago, you've come to the right place. We find you the best apartments in the city, so you don't have to. Subscribe to our channel and see what it's really like to live in the Windy City's top properties. The Western lies directly at the Western Blue Line train stop, shooting you to the heart of the loop in only 20 minutes, as well as O'Hare Airport in under 40. It's rare to get these clean, modern finishes plus floor-to-ceiling windows on Milwaukee Avenue in this neighborhood. Plus, you still get a lot of character with the raw concrete ceilings. Being a newer property on Milwaukee Avenue, where every apartment has laundry in unit, dishwashers, garbage disposals, and built-out closets, these units are truly something special for the neighborhood. I mean, just look at the ample closet space and the scale of these floor plans. These 2-bedroom layouts are great, especially for a roommate situation. You have your own separate quarters on either side of the living room, plus your own private bathroom. And you'll notice that both bedrooms are nearly the same size, making for a nice, even split. You can do so much with the space, like adding a true dining room table, which I know you really want. There's a variety of different 1-bedroom styles here at the Western, spread among the 3 different buildings. There's lofted 1-bedrooms and this extra large 1-bedroom, just a little over 700 square feet, with galley-style kitchen and an extra large bedroom and a ginormous walk-through closet. It's almost as if every apartment home is different here at the Western. Take a look at this nice white modern kitchen playing off of the white brick accent wall, offering the perfect balance between modern and industrial luxury, plus your own private balcony. We're on the lofted side of the Western now, where you'll see there's a whole other variety of finishes throughout the kitchens and bathrooms. Just across the street, you'll find your neighborhood go-to coffee shop that will surprise you with its Turkish twist, superfood treats, and homemade nut milks like the hazelnut or chata, a must-try. Hazelnut or chata? Some other nearby favorites include Taxum, an escape to Greece with a full Greek wine list, and Rooftop Oasis. This area is such a melting pot of authentic multicultural cuisine options to explore, as well as all the Instagram hotspots like Paradise Park on North Avenue, where there's enough room and games for all of your friends to post up and enjoy Sunday fun day all day long. Somewhere.
All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me.
Hop on the train to zip back home in a matter of minutes to your own rooftop spot to finish off game day. For such a boutique building, you would never expect this much common area space. You have so many tables to work from home, arcade games and shuffleboard to play from home, plus multiple grilling stations and a large fire pit to soak in these rare skyline and sunset views. Keep following Live Shy TV on YouTube and Instagram. I have a team full of agents at Maven ready to help you and all of your friends.